We remove the back cover. We release the screws from the top of the device. We remove the plastic protection from the top of the device. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. We remove the battery. Here we have the motherboard flex cable. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. Remove the screws from the bottom of the device. Here we have the loudspeaker. We release the vibration motor, which is attached to the middle frame of the screen. Remove the charging flex. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process. We have finished the assembly process.